In this video, I will be showing you how to make a certificate in Canva. Let's get started. I'll start by clicking on the search bar and typing in certificate. This brings up a wide variety of professional templates to choose from. I'll scroll through the results until I find a design that fits my needs. I like this blue and yellow geometric template, so I'll click on it to see the preview and then select Customize this template. Now that the editor is open, I can begin personalizing the details. I'll start by double-clicking the main description text to update it. I'm typing in that this is for successfully completing the 10-day work immersion program at the old Capitol building. Once that's typed out, I'll adjust the text box slightly to make sure the layout looks balanced. Next, I want to change the font to something more distinct. I'll open the font menu and browse through the options. I'll try out a few different styles before settling on Archivo Black for a bold, clean look. I'll also make some quick adjustments to the positioning. Now, I'll move down to the signature line to update the name. I'll select the placeholder text and change it to Justin Gale Saunder. I'll ensure the name is properly aligned with the rest of the design. Finally, when I'm happy with the certificate, I'll click the Share button in the top right corner and go to Download. I can then select my preferred file type, like a high-quality PNG, to save my finished project. And that is how you easily create a professional certificate in Canva.